Today I'm going to walk through Katy's Casita closet system in our Casita and how we're actually using the space day to day. This setup has 4 shelves and a floor section. And at first glance, it looks like a lot of storage, but the real key is how you organize it. There's also access down here at the bottom of the closet. It's a separate storage area, and depending on how you pack, it can be useful for bulkier, less frequently used items. One of the best small upgrades we added are these rechargeable motion activated lights. They're mounted to the center support and they make a huge difference, especially at night. One thing we learned quickly is that even though the system is installed, every Casita ends up a little different in how you use it. I used a jigsaw to shape the shelving to match my Casita. These are the supports that hold the shelves in place. They're simple, but they give you flexibility if you ever want to reconfigure things or change spacing later on. At the top is the Casita factory installed clothing rod. You can choose to remove it, but we left ours in. One end comes from the shower side of the Casita. The other end of the clothing rod can be accessed on the outside of the Casita. There is a cap that hides a screw. One thing that really helped open this space up was leaving one of the shelves out completely. By doing that, you get a taller open section. This is very useful for larger items. So this is what the closet looks like when it's fully set up and in use. That is the Katy's Casita closet system in our Casita. Thanks for watching.